This is a cool mist humidifier. I keep mine by my bedside to maintain about 40% humidity during dry winter nights. I use something called a hygrometer to dial it in. Here in my office, the humidity is just over 30%. If this were my bedroom, I gently dial it up for sleeping. So what makes a model like this ideal? First, the mist is cool. That makes it safer for children and pets. Second, it's the right size for a bedside. You don't need a giant unit running next to your head at night. Third, it's easy to clean, and a clean humidifier is a healthy humidifier.